how are you all doing? Hope you are all doing good. Myself Sanjana and I welcome you back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you about 4 DIY mood trackers which are easy, creative and fun to make. But before proceeding into the video, you might be thinking like, what's a mood tracker? Why you need one? And how it works? So what's a mood tracker? A mood tracker is a psychological technique which one can use for improving their mental health, right? Like you can record your own moods to identify when, how and why your mood varies. Secondly, how it works. So by maintaining a mood tracker, you can identify the negative influence and trigger which you need to avoid in your life. Also, it helps you to find small things as well as big things which will help you to stay well. Thirdly, why it's even needed. There is something called self-love which you must practice often. Why? Because you matter, right? Yes, you matter. So let's get in the video. So here comes the very first mood tracker and I call it as the color palette. Yes, like in here you can color all of your moods, right? But people usually consider a single mood all the day. Like it's totally impossible for a person to be tired or sad or happy all the day. I personally find it useless. Like people usually have 5 to 6 moods, right? Imagine if you were productive the whole day. Like yes, you were productive, you can do it, you did it. Or what if on the second day you were happy in the morning, but then your results came and you become sad. And then at the end of the day someone took your chocolate from you and you become angry. So this is the color palette. Now let's move on to the second one and I named it as the Candies mood tracker. Yep, like you have your moods in form of candies and lollipops. Isn't it interesting? But this isn't that informative because you don't have the days like which were not so good for you, or you have to judge this according to the number of lollipops and candies in the jar on the box. Like if you were happy, just top your box with that happy candy. And on the next day, if you were clueless about your moods, like you were having mood swings, it's a blah jar, like fill up your blah jar with your black candies. And what if on the next day you were productive? Congratulations, you made it. Like, award yourself with 3 candies. Whoa. Now, what if on the next day you were tired? Top your box with that tired candies. So, this isn't that informative, but it's cute though for aesthetic purpose. But it will do, I guess. Now before moving to the next mood tracker, let me introduce you to Factor Notes. It's a company making amazing journals, notebooks and sketchbooks. Nope, this video is not sponsored, but they have gifted me these 2 books. Now first one is a bullet journal in which I am currently journaling, and the second one is a sketchbook. I will link down their profile in the description box. Must visit. So here comes a third mood tracker and I named it as the Nursery mood tracker. Like you can plant your mood in the flower pot. Like you're sad, you plant a cactus. You're tired, you just didn't plant it anything. Yes, you're productive, fill that pot up. So this is kind of my favorite one. Moving on to the next one, I call it as the expression mood tracker. So I even don't know which characters are this, but I drew them. I think they look like Angry Birds, but they are not. I call them my little chunkies. Yes, it's all about creativity. Just go dig up in your mind. There's a lot more to discover about being creative. You can choose your own characters and moods. Like it's totally depend on you. What kind of characters and mood you want. Like imagine if one day a chunky is happy. Yes, my little chunky. And what if on the next day chunky is busy or tired? And what if an adult chunky is sad? That's so bad. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button below. And till then, take care. Meet you in the next video. Much love to you all.